Hi, I'm Dr. Madhumita, a postgraduate in the Department of General Medicine, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. So, today I'm here to speak a few words about World First Aid Day that is celebrated on second Saturday every September. So the main aim of celebrating this World First Aid Day is to create awareness among public regarding the importance of first aid in saving lives in crisis situations and also normal day-to-day situations. It is also being celebrated to emphasize that the first aid training has to be given to all. So what is first aid? First aid is the emergency management that you give immediately to an injured person. So the primary goal of giving a first aid is to minimize the disability and also the damage that can be caused to the victim. Sometimes first aid may be the only line that can help to save the victim's life and keep him breathing. So why should I learn first aid? Every year, 150,000 people are dying unnecessarily because first aid is not widely known enough. Certain conditions like heart attacks where knowing first aid actually makes a big difference, which almost kills like 30,000 people, they can be handled pretty well. Yes, giving first aid undoubtedly saves lives, but what it also does is it reduces the recovery time of patients. It can prevent patients from having permanent disabilities. And what first aid training also does is, yes, it provides the knowledge that is required, the training that is required, but it also gives you the enough confidence that is needed to act at the site where it is needed. Not all accidents or illnesses or injuries, they require a trip to hospital. But this doesn't mean that the patient is not in pain. For say, take a child with maybe a bruised elbow. The child will certainly be in pain, and knowing simple things like how to apply ice pack or the appropriate bandage to the child will help in reducing their discomfort. And believe me or not, learning this first aid training will also help you to maintain healthy habits and healthy living, because when you are keeping yourself safe, only then you will be able to help others rather than needing help for yourself. So that attitude of taking care of yourself, developing very good healthy habits will be inculcated automatically. In situations maybe someone has ingested some harmful substance, or someone is having sudden heart attack on a street or road, or when there is a motor vehicle accident, or maybe when an earthquake. At such times, a person who is well trained and knowledgeable even in the basics of first aid can be of extreme importance in saving the victim's life until the emergency responders arrive. Examples of such emergencies may include asthma emergencies, burns, choking, any environmental disasters, seizures, heart attacks or any poisonings, and most importantly motor vehicle accidents involving neck or spine or limb injuries. So knowing what to do, like knowing the basic first aid in such circumstances, can bring the victim back from the clutches of death, and they can also help in preventing the victim from ending in disabilities. People often don't consider the importance of this basic first aid. There might be a number of reasons. We don't have time, we don't know where to begin, we don't think accidents will ever happen to us, or maybe we are well prepared if something happens. But no, this is not the case. For say, if an accident occurs at your workplace, or maybe at your home, or maybe on the street in public places, and being helpless witness to that emergency situation will actually potentially worsen the situation. First aid is an act of humanity. It is not just a series of techniques. Your presence can actually make a huge difference to the patient. So come out, take some time and learn the basic techniques of first aid, because right person at right place and right time can actually do wonders. Thank you.